We as a movement have a choice.
How we make this choice will determine how successful we are.
Whether we reach our goal or fall short.
We can choose to speak with a stronger voice.
We can choose to have a global presence that cannot be ignored.
We can choose to focus the world's attention on Tibet.
We can raise the stakes.
And the urgency
to find a just and lasting solution for Tibet.
But this is only possible
if we make a choice.
If we choose
to act together.
It might sound simple
or obvious,
but it's a radical choice.
We have to make space for it.
To clear the legs.
And prepare ourselves.
In order to do some great things together.
Those who want to see us fail
are pleased when we divide our efforts.
Because they know what we could achieve.
If we truly act as a global movement.
In 2017, many of you told us you want to combine efforts.
We have heard you.
In 2018, together,
we will identify new international campaigns
to maximize our impact.
So, now is the time
to prepare,
to decide,
to choose.
Because if everything is a priority,
then nothing is a priority.
What will you do?
As individuals and groups.
To free up your capacity.
So that you can join together with us for
a stronger voice,
a greater presence,
and a major push towards new victories.
The choice
is yours.